This 2023 Dynamax Corp DX3 34KD is a Super CRV. It is located in Post Falls, Idaho, 83854 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Post Falls. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Dynamax Corp DX3 34KD is built on a Freightliner M2 106 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.